Hello, Word. Listeners, welcome. I'm your host, Alex, and I'm thrilled to have you join me for another exciting episode where we explore the wonderful world of English vocabulary. Today, our word of the day is dictionary. What is a dictionary? A dictionary is a book that lists words in alphabetical order and gives their meanings, pronunciation, and sometimes their origin. It's like a treasure chest of words. Think of it as your go-to guide when you encounter a word you don't understand. It helps you learn what it means and how to use it correctly. Let's dive a little deeper into understanding this helpful book. The dictionary helps us to understand words and improve our language skills. It is very helpful when we are reading or writing and come across a word that is new to us. Now, let's talk about some words that are similar to dictionary, also known as synonyms. Synonyms are words that have similar meanings. One synonym for dictionary is lexicon. We can say, the professor consulted a lexicon to verify the definition of the ancient word. Another synonym is word book. For example, my grandma gave me a beautiful word book for my birthday, full of amazing words. And a third synonym can be glossary, which is often a list of specific terms used in a particular subject or field. We can say, check the glossary at the end of the textbook for a definition of each technical term. See how these words all relate to the idea of finding word meanings, just like our dictionary. Now, let's explore some antonyms, or words that mean the opposite, though there isn't a direct opposite of the word dictionary. Instead, we can think about what it means to not use a dictionary. One antonym, in this context, might be ignorance. Ignorance means a lack of knowledge or information. Her ignorance of basic grammar rules was hindering her writing. Another related word might be misunderstanding. Misunderstanding is when we incorrectly understand something. A misunderstanding of the word irony led to an awkward conversation. Yet another antonym could be vagueness. Vagueness describes a lack of clarity or precision. The vagueness of his instructions made it difficult to complete the task. It's important to remember these words aren't direct opposites, but they represent the state of not having or using the information found in a dictionary. Now, let's talk about how we use the word dictionary in everyday life. Imagine you are reading a book and you see a new word, like serendipity. You might say, I don't know what serendipity means, I need to look it up in the dictionary. Or perhaps you are writing an email to your boss and you want to make sure you are using the correct word. You might say, I am unsure if effect or effect is the right word here. I'll consult the dictionary. Sometimes, we even use the word dictionary figuratively, not just literally. For example, he's a walking dictionary. This means the person knows a lot of words. Here are some more example sentences using the word dictionary. I always keep a dictionary on my desk when I'm writing. The teacher told us to use a dictionary to find the meanings of the new vocabulary words. Can you lend me your dictionary? I need to check the spelling of this word. My phone has a built-in dictionary app, so I can look up words easily. Learning to use a dictionary effectively is a valuable skill. The dictionary says that the word ubiquitous means existing everywhere. He debated with her on a definition of the word and brought out a heavy dictionary to settle the argument. Now that you have learned how to utilize the word dictionary, let's review what we have covered. A dictionary is a book containing an alphabetical list of words with their definitions. Synonyms include lexicon, word book, and glossary. While there aren't direct antonyms, related contrasting concepts include ignorance, misunderstanding, and vagueness. We use the word in everyday conversation when we need to find the meaning or spelling of a word. Thank you for joining me today on Hello, Word. I hope you found this episode helpful and that you feel more confident using the word dictionary in your everyday conversations. Now, before you go, I have a small request. If you enjoyed this episode, please subscribe to the podcast and leave a review. Your support helps others find our show and learn new words, too. It truly makes a difference. And finally, as a fun challenge, I encourage you to create your own sentence using the word dictionary and share it as a comment under this video. I can't wait to read your creative sentences. Until next time, keep exploring the wonderful world of words. Happy learning!